Hey, welcome guys. This is the another episode of Limitless Leadership podcast, and today I'm very excited and eager to learn from Dr. Anu, and she's multiple time TEDx speaker. I'm not going to talk much about her because throughout the podcast we are going to know much about her only, her story, and we are going to get inspired. And I am personally more excited to learn a lot, and same with all the participants of our this podcast. First of all, ma'am, thank you so much. You have taken time from your extremely busy schedule. I know you are very packed, but thank you so much. You have accepted our invitation. Thank you.
Thank you, Suraj, for inviting.
Amazing. So before going in, all what you do and all, I just want to know that before you becoming an expert, what were your journey? Who you was?
I was somebody who didn't believe in God. I was somebody who lectured in college, Nirmala Niketan College of Home Science, where I taught textile chemistry. Psychology was not my field. I taught senior most classes. I was the first child and the first grandchild to step out of the house to work. In those days, and I'm taking you back at least 38 years back.
Oh my God. So it's more than my age. I'm 34 now.
Yes. I'm taking you back 38 years back, where I got into the business of education, and I was selected straight from college to teach. I completed my master's in textile chemistry and clothing, and I was asked to teach in textile chemistry. So it was very, very inspiring for me to say, oh, I have that talent in me. I can do something. But did I really want to teach anybody anything? I didn't think I had anything to teach. I was just having fun. It's like that song, girls just want to have fun. My journey was like, I was just experimenting. I had nothing to lose. My parents were not expecting me to work. There was no pressure. I was like this child exploring the world. And my journey was so beautiful.
Amazing.
Yes. Amazing. That's who I was before I got into the work that I am right now.
So if you said it was amazing journey, so just a curious question for me is like, what do you think? What were some of your biggest struggles in your life?
At 6, I was sexually abused.
Oh.
It went on till 12 years of age.
Oh my God.
At 6, my sister was born. I was left with my grandparents, and I wasn't abused there, but every time I came to Bombay to meet my parents, it was a trusted member of the family and a senior member of the family who had the audacity of making me sit in his lap. And you know what happens then. I have worked a lot on it, yet it comes up as a small prick in the heart, and nobody saw. When I was left at my mom's place, even I didn't see that could have created any trauma. When the abuse really walked out of my life, I mean, in the sense, the sexual part, it's only much later, like at 40s, in my 40s, I realized that I was sexually abused. In my 50s now that I am in, I am beginning to realize that my mom leaving me with my nanny left scars that are deeper than I have ever known, and probably created beliefs that I have to do everything alone. Nobody really wants me. My sister was taken with my mom, and I was left behind. So somebody else will be prioritized. Somebody else will get my place. And it repeated in my life. It just kept repeating, the same record kept repeating. That's a different story, that today I may have converted or transformed my wounds into the best medals that I can ever carry. I stand straight to look at the world today. Even today, I feel it's not about boy and girl.
Hmm.
Even today, I feel that people don't really understand people who go into silence.
Right.
People they don't have time for your words,
Hmm. Hmm.
and they don't have time for your silence.
Right.
They have time to move on for Instagram, for everything that's 2 seconds. And life doesn't even give you an orgasm in 2 minutes, 2 seconds. We are in a 2-second society
Right.
where if in 2 seconds I can impress you, God bless me. And if I go beyond my 2 seconds, then you'll rest me.
Right.
The beast inside me says,
Mhm.
तब भी तुमने मुझे नहीं देखा,
Hmm.
आज भी तुम्हारे पास वो आंखें नहीं है जिससे तुम मुझे देख सकते हो,
Hmm.
क्योंकि मैं इतना आसानी से अपने जख्म छुपा लूंगी, इतना सुंदर मेकअप करूंगी कि आपको सिर्फ सुंदर चेहरा नजर आएगा, उसके पीछे
Right.
क्या हुआ वो आपको कभी नजर नहीं आएगा,
Absolutely.
क्योंकि I do not trust that you have the eyes to see, I do not trust that you have the ears to hear. And पता है क्या है, मैं भी थक गई हूँ कहानी सुना के,
Right.
क्योंकि the
Yeah, I
idea
can
of the
feel.
story is not to have another somebody empathizing, sympathizing, sitting over there and say, oh, that was a nice story, I got inspired by her. You know, I don't give a damn whether you get inspired or you perspire.
That's amazing. And
दुनिया के पास आपके सच की कोई जगह है नहीं,
right. Absolutely.
क्योंकि वो अपना सच तो देख नहीं सकते, तो मेरा क्या देखेंगे, उनको मैं चुभूंगी.
So true. So true.
क्योंकि उनको सोचना पड़ेगा, अगर उनको मेरे जवाब देने हैं ना सूरज,
Hmm. Hmm.
तो उनको पॉज करना पड़ेगा, और then they will have to ask themselves
Right.
how much of this bullshit is going to go on, because
Hmm.
nothing has changed even today. Not with boys, not
Right.
with girls. लड़कियों को हम शादी करा देते हैं और लड़कों को हम पैसे बनाने की मशीन बना देते हैं.
Yes. Yes.
इतना उनके
That is
ऊपर
the
बोझ
that is the
डालते हैं.
story.
Yes. इतना बोझ डालते हैं कि they both look
Absolutely.
like coolies, जिनको पैदा किया गया था
Yes.
कुछ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज उठा के घूमने के
And-
लिए, और हर घर की
And-
यही कहानी है.
And even they don't realize it.
It is all gauged in love. मैंने तुम्हें
Hmm.
प्यार से पाला ताकि कल तुम मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लोगे, तुम श्रवण
Yes.
पुत्र बनोगे.
Hmm. Hmm.
There we live in stereotypes. We are living in roles. We haven't really moved out of those roles. खुद को देखने के लिए पहले सेल्फ को मिटाना पड़ेगा.
Right. Right. Absolutely.
Yes.
So till this point, I can understand, and the depth which you carry and the depth which you have, and that lead me to my another question. That what do you think? What helps you to make those sudden changes, and now you are impacting many lives and inspiring many lives to your TEDx talks or from your books and from your services. What helps you to change?
Suraj, it happened like this, that I used to be first not believing in God. फिर वो change हुआ दौरान, where I started going to temples. During one such visit, I went to Siddhivinayak temple. You know about Siddhivinayak
Yeah,
temple.
yeah.
It's the most popular temple at Prabha Devi in Mumbai.
Right.
लोग वहाँ लाइन लगाते हैं पहुँचने के लिए. अंदर एक मूर्ति है उसको देखने के लिए. तो I stood there in line, सबके जैसे नारियल वारियल लेके, फूल लेके, श्रद्धा है, भगवान के मंदिर में खड़े हैं तो कोई हमें खराब बुला नहीं सकता. चलो जी, हम अंदर पहुंच गए. And then I'm standing there, the Barji, the Pandit, the learned man looked at me and said "Sarka Pude," which in Marathi means "आगे बढ़ो."
Right.
सरका पुढे सरका 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 म्हणजे लवकर
आगे
लवकर
बढ़ो.
सरका.
Yes.
दूसरी लैंग्वेज में बोल देती हूँ, जल्दी जल्दी आगे बढ़ो, इत्थे क्यों खड़े हो, आगे चलो, वाई यू स्टैंडिंग हियर, मूव अहेड। उसको ना मैंने अपनी जिंदगी का एक लक्ष्य बना लिया कि जहां पे भी मैं खड़ी हूँ, चाहे वो प्यार मोहब्बत की जगह है, चाहे वो मौत की जगह है, सर का पड़े।
क्या बात, amazing. So that particular incident and these things, you have made it the core philosophy of your this thing, and now you're operating from all of that. Throughout these challenges, you have mentioned about a lot of challenges, and even you have not spoke actually about real this thing. But was there any point where you thought, "Ki, let me just give up"?
Of course.
Okay. And how you did?
यार,
How you did it?
बहुत बार ऐसा लगा कि बस हो गया। कई बार सोचा फ्लाइट में बैठ के कि गिर क्यों नहीं जाती फ्लाइट। फिर अकल ये आई, once the flight landed in the hangar, that if I asked for death, and I didn't want to do it to myself, so natural calamity, like holier than Lao we all are, I was also. समझ में ये आए कि with me so many people will go, they don't deserve it. There have been times when I was so upset that I said बस हो गया, अभी कुछ आगे करना ही नहीं है। वो स्टेज लास्ट 15 दिन में भी थी। My dog expired and I suddenly said my work has no meaning. ये सब मेरे बच्चे को बचा नहीं पाया। समझ में यही आया सूरज, समझ में यही आया कि थकना अलाउड है, ये सब ग्रिप करना अलाउड है, गिव अप करना मैंने अपने आप को कभी अलाउ नहीं किया था। इनफैक्ट मैं तो जोक करती हूँ, अगर कभी एनीबडी फाइंड्स आउट दैट आई हैव किल्ड माई सेल्फ, आई हैव नॉट किल्ड माई सेल्फ, आई नेवर विल। मुझे उस दर्द को मिटाना नहीं था, उसको देखना था। Then you look at it and it got transformed. I understood that there is so much to do, and when I look around, I have so much that others don't have. आज भी मेरे पास बहुत कुछ है खोने के लिए। आज भी बहुत कुछ है जो मैं किसी को दे सकती हूँ। इनफैक्ट पता क्या है, even when we die, our skin, our eyes, our kidneys can be used by someone else. And even if I haven't donated all this, just me being there, put in the earth, then animals can be I can be the feed. If I am in the form of ash, then it becomes minerals back to the earth. जब हम मर के यूजलेस नहीं, तो जिंदा रह के कैसे यूजलेस हो सकते हैं?
So amazing, so deep, and I would like to pause here for some second, guys. Whoever listening this particular podcast up till this point, just understand from where she is operating and how she is helping us. So whoever is feeling up, like giving up, or I'm not useful for the world, or I'm not useful for someone, make a note of all those aspects what she is mentioning. This is literally a gold mine. Believe me, you will not get it anywhere. You will not get it anywhere. Believe me. It is so depth. It is so amazing. I am on my toes right now, and I am feeling that shift in my body, and I'm so attentive to listen to all those. I want you all to take this, watch it again and again, and let this sink. I know it's not easy to understand from where he is operating, but I want you to take a moment and do a deep little sink. Thank you so much, ma'am. You are just going so damn inside and depth of the deep, I would say, and I totally got it. And that brings me a point where who is there in your life, or who has inspired you, or who has healed you throughout this journey?
So at various stages, there have been people who stood like little angels. My
Okay.
last angel, Luna, 7 years she was with me, my 4-legged dog, who every morning would give me love, every night would give me love. अगर मैं बीमार हूँ तो वो मेरी बेड साइड पे बैठी है.
Oh my God.
अगर मैं उदास हूँ तो वो मेरे पैरों पे अपना सिर रख के बैठी है. अगर मुझसे कोई लड़ रहा है तो उस पे भौंक रही है. मेरा खाना चेक किया जाता था कि you know how you have in olden times, you used to have the king and the queens, and they used to have someone to eat your food so that they haven't poisoned it.
Yes.
She would eat the first bite from my food. She would stand there and demand. My teachers, each one of them has been a gem in my life. Each one of them came at the right moment. Whether it was Richard Fluke, Carl Dawson, Kwesi Anand Odom,
Yeah.
Caroline Robertson, Vanashri
Hmm.
Ghate, I can go on with the list. Suma Varghese. The things that I learned, the people that I learned, they made me see कि बॉस कुछ तो है तुम्हारे में, उसको खत्म मत कर देना.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
The encouragement that I got from my mom, बहुत नाराज थी मैं उनके साथ. पिछले 8 साल में, 9 साल में she has stood like a, मतलब I say this कि मैंने कुछ बहुत अच्छा किया होगा
Hmm.
जिंदगी में.
Hmm. Hmm.
So
You
मैं
get
बहुत,
such support.
yes, my children, my husband. ऐसे नहीं कि हमारी लड़ाई नहीं होती, बहुत होती है,
Yes.
नॉर्मल कपल है,
Hmm.
बट उसने मुझे कभी पढ़ने से रोका नहीं, ट्रैवल करने से कभी रोका नहीं, अपने आप को एक्सप्लोर करने से कभी रोका नहीं, सच बोलने से रोका नहीं.
Amazing.
If he would have done that, I would have stifled in my expression.
Right.
The man called Ramzan, who drives my car for the last number of years,
Hmm.
हर कदम पे he was like the सारथी जो उठा के
Right.
मुझे वर्कशॉप्स तक लेके गया.
Hmm.
Children who sponsored and stood by me, and सबसे ज़्यादा मेरे students and clients जिन्होंने मुझे हर रोज
Hmm.
showed me that part of me that I didn't have to deal, but they were going through it, and I was helping them. But was I helping them कि मैं खुद ही को मदद कर रही थी.
Hmm. Hmm. So amazing.
So I would say I have seen miracles happen.
Hmm.
I have seen disasters happen.
Right.
When miracles have happened, I've actually seen, like how you have say in movies, no, पूरी कायनात झुकती है.
Hmm.
मैंने पूरी कायनात को झुकते देखा है.
Hmm.
देखा ही नहीं, महसूस किया है, and I've lived it.
क्या बात.
So जब पूरी कायनात झुक सकती है
Hmm.
आपके लिए, and the synchronicity with which the universal intelligence stood by me, people stood by me, that was
Right.
the cherry on top of the cake.
Amazing. Amazing. You are I mean, glorifying so many people, so many identities, so everything that shows how deep a level of gratitude you have towards each one of them, right from your driver to everyone. And That's amazing. That's simply awesome. If I want to ask you one deep question that I know you felt a lot, you went through a lot, you are blessed with so many things you said, you are blessed with so many nice people, nice family. Then what made you to come in this industry and help other lives?
I don't think I chose my profession. The profession chose me.
Okay, and how it happened?
My son fell very unwell. He was born with the congenital issues.
Okay.
मुझे लगा मेरा बच्चा जा रहा है. I was very intuitive.
And how many years back?
He is today 30 odd years. He's probably 2 years younger than you if you're in 34s. So
Yeah.
3 years
Okay.
younger than you.
Mhm.
And it's like this, Suraj. जीने की चाह ने कितना हमें रुलाया है.
Mhm.
जब आप जीना चाहते हो ना,
Mhm.
तो आपको जिंदगी हर जगह नजर आती है.
Right.
और हर इंसान जो सामने आता है ना, वो खुद जैसा ही नजर आता है. मैंने आज तक किसी की मदद नहीं करी है.
Mhm.
मैंने सिर्फ अपनी मदद करी है. मैं बहुत खुदगर्ज हूँ.
Mhm.
If in the process somebody got helped, मैं तो मस्ती कर रही थी.
Hmm. So amazing. This is amazing thought itself. That when you were helping yourself, people are getting help, and I know many people must have got help by you, and we are going to talk about that in our coming questions. You tell me, when you were planning and helping and trying to, when you were thinking of the helping people, have you done any kind of certifications or any kind of special course or anything you have learned extra, or you just help people with your real experiences?
मुझे 26 साल हो गए पढ़ाई करते हुए.
Mm-hmm.
I told you I was a textile chemistry,
Right,
baking
right, right.
and weaving and making a cloth. I
Yes.
learned how to weave human psychology and biology together.
Yeah, that.
And I became the first master trainer in Meta Health and pioneer in the field of Meta Health in India. I became the first
Amazing.
trainer in EFT matrix reimprinting in India. I am today the first trainer in Genius Report, which is the new coming modality. I have to start marketing it. I learned sound and I was quoted in a movie which went to get awards. I was quoted as a gong healer. My teacher Jens Zuger, bless him, he really molded sound into the form of music, not just sound. There are so many modalities that I learned and I integrate. I have been the chair lady for Meta Health International. I am today on the board of members still, and so I'm the first Indian lady to be in that position. We made trainers, and these are all internationally certified courses. I've gone across the world speaking and presenting papers, especially on the women issues. I've spoken in Hawaii, Luxembourg, Egypt, specifically in Cairo, then run workshops in Egypt, and I'd gone there at that time when I was a chair lady. So right now there is nothing called chair lady, it's just board of members and somebody who helps in, the whole organization helps in helping the organization to create further material for the organization. So in many capacities, from my stage became the world stage. I have learned constellations from Bert Hellinger Institute as well as Near Easterman. I host international celebrities from across the world into my world so that people don't have to travel. I learned how to write because that was one of the biggest oof points for me by Soma Varghese. She is in India and in Mumbai. Brilliant lady, an amazing soul who helped me to understand the value of not just painting, which I love from my heart, but also how to paint with words and how to use, how to express in words that is meaningful for the other person. So this journey has been for 26 years of studying. अगर किसी को ये लगे कि खुद से तुम सीख लोगे और डाउनलोड हो जाएगा, then you need to think again. I've also passed with distinction with from the UCMOS Institute of Bioenergy in Paris under Caroline Robertson. I have completed my course to help people in aligning just with an antenna which is called Lecker antenna. I've learned gold antenna with Mayank Barjatia, and so I have international as well as national level teachers and more than one in one modality. Yeah, I've also played in Brown University Sound. I've played at Barcelona Sound.
Amazing.
So basically, I also broke
You
my
have been a,
silence at
what
Sully Hull.
one word I can get is you have been a lifelong learner. Yeah?
So far, yes. I broke my silence in Sully Hull. I spoke about my abuse for the first time. I've created a documentary movie which is there in the YouTube on the silence. Yes, it was a proper, actors were hired. It was a 3-minute clipping that came across, which I presented at Sully Hull for the first time in 2014. So
please share a link with us. We'll put that in the description.
I will.
So that when people are up till this point and if they want to go and explore this, I personally would like to do that. So I'm asking you for myself. So everyone will get benefit. Yes, please.
Sure. So बात ये है कि जिंदगी में सारे लुफ्त लिए हैं, सारे टेस्ट लिए हैं. And therapeutic world में I do not believe just that CBT is going to work, which is cognitive behavior therapy, or REBT is going to work. What really works is a flexible approach. What really works is going beneath, and what really works is your not just the certificates, license to kill or license to drive. Some people can drive without the license. Hats off to them. They have a natural instinct.
Right.
But those certificates and awards that I've been getting repeatedly for I don't know how many years now can either give you a license to kill or a license to drive mindfully. So all those medals that are sitting behind you, if I was to put on my wall of fame, God bless me, the wall would look like a traffic jam.
Of course, and I definitely...
right from Kiran Bedi giving me an award to celebrities giving me an award. And I'm going on, it sounds like meh, but that's not the idea. The idea is to understand that these awards can be bought. These awards can be earned. What's really required is holding the other person's hand and walking with them. That's what heals people.
Amazing, superb, with lot of depth, and there is so much to learn from you. I'm literally, trying to still absorbing, not able to absorb all of that. I think I need to watch podcast again and again to absorb all those things. uh, that takes, you tell me, when you were doing all those certifications and all those things you have done, do you still remember who were your first client and how do you get your first client?
That's a very good question. I wouldn't go to the first client. I would say I remember how I began my work.
Mm-hmm.
And I do remember that my first client was an international client.
Okay.
So we're going back, trailing back to 2002. I began my education in 2001 into the field of orchid sciences and psychology. Right from mediumship to learning everything. Then, so I've been constantly studying. Short courses to long courses to international courses to whatever
Right.
else.
That I can totally understand, and I even know that. So what do you think? What some of the pain people are silently facing?
Their relationships.
The relationships, which we have mentioned in the beginning as well, and talked about it.
Relationship is a ship, Suraj, on which you have to be real. Relationship is the only ship on which you have to be real.
Right.
हम इतना मेकअप लगा लेते हैं कि रियल कहाँ है हम? We are
always wearing some kind of mask.
All of us have it. And we need to wear it because people don't understand you without your mask. They can't see you without your mask. They don't have the eyes to. But in the relationships, right from the relationship with your mom to dad, those are two relationships where people have maximum pitai. They feel not understood, they feel not lived, they feel not free. Then we'll go to all the relations that we have. The taya, the mama, the chachi, the fufa. You're forced into relationships and maintaining relationships when you don't want to, maybe. Or to adhere to a psyche or soch. Kis mat, kiski mat. किसकी सोच, तो हमें वो सोच टोपी की तरह पहनाई जाती है. Our conditioning is the next thing that is so difficult to break. और वो conditioning का हम अचार बना के value system बनाते हैं. अब फिर हम बोलते हैं values को हम कैसे खत्म कर सकते हैं. From that, कोई दारू पी रहा है तो बकवास है, कोई सिगरेट पी रहा है तो बकवास है, तो मंदिर में खड़ा है तो वो शरीफ है. We put them in brackets and pieces and squares. So basically I would say हम 4 areas में we are fumbling. अगर हमारे relationships में कमजोरी है, then it is a shit on which we are putting icing. So much of icing ताकि वो जो नीचे की shit है ना वो smell ना करे. And उसके ढेर के ऊपर, that as a foundation, we are laying our education, we are laying our work, we are laying our body, we are laying our health. And Mother Earth तक तो हम पहुंचते ही नहीं हैं. जैसे हमने जिंदगी का हमने कूड़ा बनाया हुआ है, कचरा बनाया हुआ है, ऐसे ही बॉडी को हम तब तक खींचते हैं, बोलते चल 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 मेरे साथी, मेरे हाथी, खटारा खींच के. वो खटारा है ना, वो हम हैं.
Yes. So deep.
And इसी तरीके से it's the emotions that we keep pulling. What I would say, sum it up and say, सूरज, जिस दिन हमें प्यार करना आ जाएगा ना, प्रेशर डाले बिना, उस दिन शायद हम जी लेंगे. मुर्दों की तरह जिंदा लोग जीते हैं और मुर्दों को जिंदा करने की कोशिश में सारी जिंदगी निकाल देते हैं.
So amazing, so deep. So from how long you think you mentioned about mentioning with people, working with people from so long, what do you think, who is your ideal target market now, or who is your ideal target audience now?
Yes, Rich, That's a very good marketing question. मुझे पूछा गया था यही कि आइडियल मार्केटिंग क्या होती है. जहाँ जहाँ इमोशंस हैं वहाँ वहाँ मैं.
जहाँ जहाँ इमोशंस है वहाँ वहाँ आप. Amazing, awesome. So, what do you think? What are some of the strongest transformation you have created in your students? If you can mention one, two.
शुरू किया था काम when
I'm curious to know.
शुरू किया था काम जहाँ पे लोगों के बच्चे नहीं थे. मेरे
अच्छा.
पास बैठे थे क्योंकि ओहो आई डोंट हैव किड्स.
Mhm.
IVF काम नहीं कर रही.
Mhm.
We worked first IVF. बेबी हो गया. आज वो बेबी 13 साल का है.
Amazing.
वो बेबी भी मेरा क्लाइंट है क्योंकि आके क्लाइंट
Okay.
नहीं रहे, वो बच्चे फैमिलीज बन गए.
Right.
एंड पीपल
Right.
मूव्ड अहेड इन देयर लाइफ. आए थे कुछ बिखरे हुए लोग.
Mm.
मैं भी
Mm.
बिखरी हुई थी.
Mm.
आए थे कुछ बिखरे हुए लोग. हाथ पकड़ा हम दोनों ने एक दूसरे का.
Right.
आज वो बिखरे हुए लगते ही नहीं है. आज वो दुनिया को सुधार रहे हैं.
क्या बात है. क्या बात है. They got transformed and now they are transforming others. They are impacting others. Superb, superb.
मरने चले थे. अगर जिंदगी मिल जाए तो फिर क्या है. कैंसर पेशेंट्स के साथ काम किया. वे चिल्ड्रन वर वेरी यंग.
अच्छा.
लिम्फोमा कैंसर. मरने जा रहे हैं हम. तो सबको हम नहीं बचा सकते और कोई भी नहीं बचा सकता. किसको भगवान रखेगा कि नहीं, हम भगवान नहीं कोई बन सकता.
Absolutely.
बट ये बच्चों ने जाके आगे काम किया है. समझा है इस जिंदगी को.
बहुत बढ़िया.
And right from the time there are ladies who've come when they were pregnant. There are people who walked in with sexual abuse when they were 10 and 12. And आज वो सब उड़ रहे हैं ऐसे तो मुझे मालूम नहीं, लेकिन किसी ने अपनी जान नहीं ली. सब कुछ ना कुछ कर रहे हैं.
That's amazing. That's amazing.
और पता है कभी कभार they call me up and they say आपके बारे में सोच रहे थे. That's my give back. मतलब हमने एक relationship create किया. We
Right.
created a relationship that moves and touches me, moved and touched them, and then they
Right.
went and moved and touched other people.
Amazing, amazing, amazing. In this nasty world right now, where there is whole type of bad news and all type of problems and lot of stress right from childhood, you are really doing a great work. That brings me to the another curious question which I got, because you are talking about so many different audience and all. What is the uniqueness in your service? What do you think? What has been a really unique point that you could able to help this different audience with different problems?
So in my class to begin with, there were children sitting from 8 years to 81 years.
8 to 81?
Yes.
Oh my God.
क्योंकि सबके पास body है, and I was teaching about the body, and I was
Right.
teaching about how biology is connecting with psychology. Psychology means how do you think, how do you perceive,
Yes. Yes.
and how your perceptions become your cage, and that cage is created within your body. वैसे भी हमारा जो दिल है ना, ध्यान से देखेंगे अगर आप ह्यूमन बॉडी को, is caged in your, is still caged in the ribs. So
Right.
that's the heart, and that's still caged in the ribs.
Yes.
अगर इसे तोड़ दिया जाए तो this becomes wings.
Yeah.
We are still not free.
Right.
Okay, so
Absolutely.
unique बात ये है कि शायद हमने we could touch the chord, and when I say we, because I couldn't have done it alone without the help of so many people who taught me. Yes, I've been a good student, but that's not enough.
Right.
My life touched me and their life touched them, and when we met somewhere halfway through, and in
Right.
that halfway through, I had a massive dense body that came to me, which was full of emotions. I was able to, with my expertise, help them understand that how their psychology was impacting their biology and how their biology was impacting their psychology.
Yes,
And how mental health is no different from कि तुम्हें जुकाम हुआ तो वो physical health है, नहीं है. तुम्हें चश्मा लगा तो वो physical health है, नहीं है. तुम गंजे हो रहे हो तो वो physical health है, नहीं है.
Absolutely.
तुम्हारी जिंदगी में कुछ हो रहा है, something is happening in your life
Yes.
that you're not able to deal with, and your body is adapting, and to make people aware that where the adaptation is there so that तुम मत मर जाओ. So आपके बाल सिर के मर रहे हैं, आपकी eyesight मर रही है because you don't want to see something.
Absolutely.
And when
Absolutely.
you talk about the heat and so much happening in the world, let's pause here and ask ourselves. We all like to be good people. Have we dealt with our anger? The passive one. The biggest cause of illness today is inflammation inside the body and outside in our environment. And inflammation means in flames. देखो, सारा ग्लोब in flames है. कोविड ने हमें रोका नहीं, हम फिर वापस.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And it also says that when you are facing some deep emotional issues, it go and get settled in your body, and that is what you have validated through all those examples. And that is what you have said. You tell me now, you said you have mentioned about being a good student. What are some of your habits that has helped you? Now, when your students are getting impacted, they are impacting other people. What are some of your habits that every day you perform?
Are you talking about the rituals that I perform or habits?
The habits which helped you throughout this.
So I think I have an attitude of gratitude that you pointed out. I've been consistent with my work. मैं एक दिन में उछल के नहीं बोला कि मैंने कुछ कर लिया. 26 साल से पढ़ाई कर रही हूँ.
Right.
I did not substitute hard work with easy work. Though I hate hard work, sounding of hard work. It's not hard work. It's persistently doing something again and again. And understanding that looking after my mental health, my physical health, my relationships does not mean I'm selfish. It means अगर मैं मेरा ध्यान रखूंगी, if I take care of myself, I'm not expecting my husband, my child tomorrow to take care of me. Look, I came down with silent heart attacks when I was in my early 40s. My doctor just told me I can reduce my medicine. I work more than anybody who's got a very, very healthy heart, and today doctor certifies that I have a very, very healthy heart. मैंने मेरी बीमारी या मेरी limitations को limitation नहीं समझा, उसको समझा कि वो क्या बोलने की कोशिश कर रही है. And then I made those changes which were required by the body. I came down with diabetes 2 years back. My HbA1 was 7.2. Some people say 7.2 ही है, क्या बड़ी बात है. Today I've reversed it only with food and with my work. It's at 6.3, which means doctor से कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है for you to have any medication. So I never took a medication. See, अगर तुम्हारे दिमाग में आ जाए ना कुछ करना है, तो हैबिट की जरूरत नहीं होती है. अगर तुम्हारे दिमाग में आ जाए कि तुम्हारे को कुछ करना ही है, because you just have written over here Limitless Leadership Club. I would deal with Limitless Consciousness Club.
Yeah, man.
Okay, where you and I are just limitless in our consciousness. Not just that, the mitochondria that is present in every cell of our body is a powerhouse which holds sunlight. We are like the leaves that hold sunlight. If you and I have unlimited or limitless consciousness and have got limitless light in us, हम अंधेरे में क्यों बैठेंगे भाई?
Absolutely.
और वो देखो
Absolutely.
आपके पीछे ना वो फोटो फ्रेम्स अंधेरे में जा रहे हैं, तो क्या मतलब वो अंधेरा है?
Right.
नहीं ना? देखो जहाँ रोशनी है ना वहाँ उसकी पोलैरिटी अंधेरा है। उसको हम अंधेरे को देख रहे हैं, रोशनी को देख नहीं रहे हैं, क्योंकि हमारे को खटकती है जो चीज, उसी को देखते हैं। We
Yes.
need to constantly look at when we are looking at the disease as to what is it that we are not at ease with. बस इतनी सी बात है। अगर आप ये ध्यान से देख लें and not close your eyes to what is it that's making you uncomfortable, and
Right.
फिर no matter what, you will go out of your way to bring that ease back into your life. Everything will change around you,
Absolutely.
including the people who are connected. तुम्हें किसी को सिखाने की जरूरत है ही नहीं। पेड़ खड़ा खड़ा किसी को कोई लेक्चर नहीं देता। पानी स्विमिंग पूल में किसी को कोई लेक्चर नहीं देता। Bird on the top doesn't teach anyone anything.
Right.
The baby in the cradle doesn't teach anyone anything. हम फिर भी सीख जाते हैं उनसे।
Yes.
हम वो इंसान हैं जो जिंदा होके भी हमारे से बदबू आती है। We need perfume. मरने के बाद हमारे में इतनी स्टिंक आती है कि 2 मिनट पहले हम कुछ थे, 2 मिनट बाद बॉडी हो जाते हैं। और बॉडी का शॉर्ट
Right.
फॉर्म पता क्या है? टर्न अराउंड
Please.
करें उसको, बॉडी को।
Yeah.
DODY को मैं कर रही हूँ DOBY, डेट ऑफ बर्थ विद ईयर अटैच्ड टू योर बॉडी। ये जो रहने वाला नहीं, इस पे क्या इतराना? ये क्या सिखाएगी दुनिया को? तुम जैसे जीते हो ना, वैसे लोग आपसे सीखते हैं। आज मुझे किसी जगह की कोई झांसी की रानी नहीं बनना है, क्योंकि कोई लड़ाई है ही नहीं। झांसी की रानी बेचारी मर गई थी, निर्भया बेचारी मर गई थी। I don't want to be that person. I want to be somebody who can accept me. और जब मैं कहूँ कि I love you, इसका मतलब ये है कि मैं खुद से प्यार कर रही हूँ।
Right. Right.
सामने कोई और है ही नहीं ना।
So amazing and so deep. I was going to ask you about what helps you to shift your minds and get this amazing result. You have mentioned about a lot of them, about reversing your own challenges, health challenges and everything. Still, I'm curious to know, is there any particular point or any particular thing which you feel that has helped you to shift your mind from where you were suffering to that level now? Now many people are getting impacted and those people are impacting others. So what are some of the mindset shift you have made in you?
सबसे बड़ी चेंज मैंने अपने अंदर जो लाई है, and the massive shift that I've done is, so I'm somebody, like I said, I have mentors. I don't like the idea of gurus. I joined this organization called Ekam, which is in Andhra Pradesh. It's run by Shri Krishna ji and Preeta ji. They are revered masters. ऐसी वाली चीजों में ना मुझे तो बिल्कुल बिलीव है ही नहीं था, क्योंकि इतना कुछ I hear around the place. But last 2.5 years I've been connected with them. And I understood that my breath has the answer for everything, and my brain being in an alpha state is very, very important. We are moving constantly in the beta state of mind. अगर बीटा तो पिटा, मतलब if you are in alpha state, theta state, then you can manifest and create anything and everything. मैं सुबह उठ के किसी से बातें नहीं करती हूँ, अपने सेल फोन को उठाती हूँ, उसको एक साइड पे रख देती हूँ। What's really important, early in the morning, I spend half an hour meditating. I spend that half an hour meditating. हाँ, मेरे में थोड़ी सी, I can't get up at 7 o'clock, but I sit down and do my meditation, and I'm not even saying कि अरे you have to do, because I used to always say मैं painting कर रही हूँ तो that is meditation, मैं gong बजा रही हूँ तो that is meditation, मैं अपना काम कर रही हूँ तो that is meditation, I'm sitting with the client and I'm lost, that's meditation. Yes, all that is. But just being with yourself and listening to your body for the first 30 minutes when you begin, and then a walk. अगर तुम्हारी प्रॉब्लम फिजिकल है तो बॉडी को मूव करो. अगर तुम्हारी प्रॉब्लम साइकोलॉजिकल है तो भी बॉडी को मूव करो, बिकॉज बॉडी इज द कैरियर. इट्स अ सोमा, मीन्स योर बॉडी इज कैरिंग एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम दिस लाइफ, पास्ट लाइफ, generations. We still have the reptilian brain called the brainstem, which carries all the information across space and time from the time of evolution.
Right.
And in evolution, a human being only knew that if there was a threat coming, they had to either run or fight. किसी भी तरीके से, if you freeze psychologically or you freeze physically, you're finished. So what you need to do is move your head into positive thoughts, move your body, go do that exercise, eat proper,
Right.
sleep proper, don't starve your body. इसने आपको carry करना है.
Right.
And there's nothing wrong with looking glam and beautiful. Be your sexy self, be unapologetically who you are. Impress करना बंद करो, लोग अपने आप impress हो जाएंगे.
Yes.
इतना
Absolutely.
वक्त मत waste करो. And be consistent, because ये again lecture बाजी, this saying कि ये step number 1, step number 2, step number 3, step number 4 and life is done. यार मजा आ गया, मैं step सुन के थक गई यार. I feel what is really required is people to take themselves step number 1 seriously, step number 2 seriously, step number 3 seriously, and step number 4 seriously. कल खत्म.
Right. I really love that sentence when you said get up in the morning and listen to your body.
Yeah.
Because no one does that. They will open a phone, they will listen to some reels, they will listen to social media, or they will listen to their own thoughts, or they will caught up in something. We never take care of, never even trying to listen to our body, or even we don't consider it. So that is something really amazing what you said. Listen to your body, and whether you are having biological problem or psychological problem, move. That's amazing. That's superb. So how do you especially handle failures and criticism? I know many of them must have criticized you.
Oh yeah, every day.
How do you handle?
My biggest critics live with me.
Okay. Amazing.
Failure is in the shadow of the society, not just mine.
Right.
The longest when I say the failure is in the shadow of the society, we like to show the world that we are successful. We are so gauged to showing that we are successful, our children are successful, everything is hunky-dory, everything is fine, that we do not create space for the failure to walk in, and yet we do work where people feel failed.
Right.
I had no choice but to bring that failure right in front of me. And failure walked into my house, into my heart every day in form of a client who felt failed in this space. I could resonate with them because I had probably gone through the failure in my life.
Absolutely.
Okay? जिस दिन तुम अपने फेलियर से दोस्ती कर लोगे, देखो ना, look at the word fail. It's got ale in it. Ale means बीमार होना. F means fight, fright, freeze. और पीछे के words हैं URE. You are ego. You are expectation. You are emotions.
Amazing.
Okay?
So this is a different way of looking at failure.
Yes. अगर मैं मेरी इमोशंस से दोस्ती कर लूं, मेरी एक्सपेक्टेशंस को समझ लूं और कहूं तो क्या हुआ, अगर मेरी ये एक्सपेक्टेशन है बट ये सिर्फ मेरे लिए हो सकती है, किसी और के लिए नहीं. And yes, I also understood that every failure of mine took me to another step of understanding what life is.
Amazing, amazing, super.
उसमें steps नहीं थे, सीधा कुछ नहीं था, सीधा गए one step back and then one step आगे, then 10 steps back, then one step आगे. सांप सीढ़ी देखी है, snakes and ladders, बिल्कुल वैसे ही, बस गेम खेलनी बंद नहीं की.
Amazing. So you have given us a different way of looking at failure. So another question pop up in my mind, and I want to really ask you that. So what do you mean by success then?
जहाँ पे डबल हर
What do
चीज
you mean
लगानी
by
पड़े,
success then?
जहाँ डबल हर चीज लगानी पड़े. चलो
Yes.
सक्सेस की स्पेलिंग बताएं. SUCCE. क्या है? E है, SS है उसके बाद. ठीक है,
Yes.
इसमें आस आ गया. It's all about us. It's all about us. It's all about us. तुम्हें लगता है जिस दिन तुम्हारा लास्ट डे जिंदगी का होगा, उस दिन लोग आपको तुम्हारे अपने घर में रख लेंगे और बॉडी नहीं बुलाएंगे बिकॉज यू वर द मैजिस्ट्रेटर ऑफ द और यू वर ऑन द टॉप ऑफ द लैडर. तुमको ऐसा लगता है? सबसे पहले तुम्हारे घर वाले ना तुम्हें शमशान भूमि में छोड़ के आएंगे. सक्सेस वो होती है माय डियर कि फूल की तरह अगर किसी के दिल में आप बस जाओ. ये सक्सेस का क्या फायदा? I tell you something. I remember more of my people who gave me hugs and who held me and who made sure that 6-year-old Anu had food in her plate than those people who went out and did what they did and only spoke about themselves. Success वो होती है which makes people us. सक्सेस वो होती है जिसमें दुनिया का भी भला हो और तुम्हारा भी भला हो. हम इसे ना आई सेंट्रिक बोलते हैं कि मैं बकरी की तरह बस मैं. CC डबल SS डबल, कितनी बार तुम अपने आप को देखते जाओगे यार. देखो, एवरीबडी लाइक्स अ सेल्फी टुडे. जब दुनिया फोटो खींच रही होती है ना, उस फोटो में वो वाली रखती है फोटो जिसमें वो अच्छे लग रहे होते हैं. They don't keep a photograph in which someone else is looking pretty.
Yes.
What you think is success, in my mind, is not success. Thank you.
Amazing, superb. So you have given lot many nuggets and lot many depth input and insight, and I'm just curious to know, even for myself and all those people, those who are listening to you now, all those new coaches, trainers and experts, those who are now coming in this journey of helping people. So what do you think, what is your message to them?
खुद को समझ लो. If you are into this path of helping other people, you need to understand yourself very, very well. This is not a profession only. It's not just about getting money. वो तो आ जाएगा.
It's a byproduct.
it's not even about how many people you helped and oh my god, you like helped so many people, oh my god. No,
Mm, mm.
you need to really get it that you're carrying a responsibility and your profession is going to become a challenge one day. It's going to come to
Yes.
bite you. You will land up in a place where you will be seeing all that you've helped other people with standing in front of you in your life.
Mm.
Rejection, death, and everything else.
Yes. Yes.
ये प्रोफेशन पिकअप करने से पहले ये सोच लेना तुम्हारे में ये हिम्मत है कि जिस प्यार से तुम दूसरे लोगों को पैसे लेके, मैं बहुत पैसे लेती हूँ, पैसों से मुझे कोई तकलीफ नहीं है, पर जिस प्यार से तुम दूसरे की हेल्प करने चले हो, अगर यही सेम चैलेंजेस तुम्हारे घर तक आ जाए,
Mm.
तुम्हारी गोदी में बैठे हो, तो तुम क्या करोगे? उस समय तुम्हें क्या चाहिए होगा दूसरे इंसान से, और जो तुम्हें चाहिए होगा ना दूसरे इंसान से, वही आपके क्लाइंट को आपसे चाहिए.
आपसे चाहिए. Amazing, superb, so deep, and so many people are confused that whether I am a right fit, whether I am a reliable person to help someone or not, and you have rightly put it up. Understand yourself, and अगर आप वो help कर पाए तो that is what your target market or the audience is needing from you. So amazing.
Because your target market will keep changing.
Yeah, of course, it's dynamic, and everything's are going to change, and
Yes.
I totally relate with that. What do you, so I am curious to know now from here, what is your future vision? How do you see yourself?
Till the last day I will work.
Okay.
एक गाना है, किसी की मुस्कुराहटों में हो पिसास, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना उसी का नाम है. ये मेरी विजन है.
Super. Amazing. Great. Awesome. So I have asked you so many questions, and you have given us a lot of depth insight. And without this question, I don't go to our next rapid fire round. This is my favorite question I ask to each one of them, and I want to know from your life also that what do you think what this world limitless means to you, and what is the limitless moment in your life you thought कि ये कभी नहीं होगा and it has happened, and what do you think what is the limitless?
जहाँ पे लेस हो गया तो वो लिमिट तो अपने आप ही खत्म हो गई.
Amazing, super. जहाँ पे less हो गया,
वहाँ पे तो
any
लिमिट अपने आप ही खत्म हो
example you want to give me? Any example you want to
ये कहने में
help
बहुत
us to
अच्छा लगता है.
understand this?
It feels so nice, Suraj, to say I'm limitless. Do we live it? सुबह शाम रात तो हम अपने आप को लेस करते हैं. कौन सी लिमिट नाप रहे हो आप?
Right.
कल ये ना हो कि जिंदगी तुम्हारे ऊपर तुम्हारी लिमिट चेक करने के लिए तुम्हारे सामने खड़ी हो जाए और तुम फेलियर फील करो, और तुम्हारी शैडो में से बाहर निकल के सामने खड़ी होगी ना तुम्हारी फेलियर, तो फट के हाथ में आएगी.
Right. Amazing, superb. So, lot of insight, lot of input you have given, but still I'm going to ask you a few more questions. But I want you to give a one-word answer. This is the last rapid fire round. I'm going to ask you a few questions, and we are expecting one-word answer from you. Okay? One habit you never skip.
Love.
Book which you want to recommend to each one of us.
Book of Life. खुद की बुक पढ़ लो.
The खुद की book पढ़ लो. Amazing. So one mistake new coaches make.
खुदा मत बनना.
Amazing. Your biggest fear.
मेरी फैमिली मुझसे दूर ना हो जाए.
Your biggest dream.
To live like birds live in the sky.
One word for your past self.
Sweet and innocent.
One word for your present self.
Constantly moving.
One habit which will make successful whoever wants to become.
Consistency.
One thing money can't buy.
Peace of mind.
One final message you want to give to the audience and world.
You've got life. You think you can control anything? सिर्फ एक चीज करो. Try every day controlling your breath.
Amazing.
सांस तो
Superb.
ठीक से ले लो.
Recently, I came across one breath coach, and he said we are not taking breath properly. And it was so amazing to know कि हम सांस ही नहीं ले रहे.
नहीं.
और मतलब we are not taking right in the right way. Okay, and no one
Because
taught
we are
us. And
constantly in hurry. पता नहीं
yes,
किसने
yes,
टाइमलाइन लगाई है हमारे लिए. खुदा ने लगाई है, जिंदगी ने लगाई है. किस चीज से हम भाग रहे हैं और किस तरफ
yes,
भागना है.
yes. Both is missing.
Yes,
Both is
Arab
missing.
is missing.
Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Thank you
Thank
so much. You have given us a lot of time, lot of input. And guys, if you have up till this point, there in this podcast and gaining and listening and absorbing all those things, I'm going to share all the links to connect with Dr. Anu, and you are going to connect with her in the description box. You will get all the links. You can get in touch with her. You can get inspired from her. You can please, last question, not in the agenda, but I want to ask you that I want you to mention about your book so that we can also mention your book link in the chat box. So
The
please
book is
tell us
in
a name
making.
and it's about what. Yeah,
Book is in making. It should be
it's in
published.
making.
It's in making.
Okay,
It's called
okay.
Inherited Whispers. It's going to be on generational trauma. And
क्या
I'm
बात.
it's on the last 3 chapters. Wish Karo. It comes
Hmm,
out,
hmm,
completes as soon as possible. And there
hmm,
is another book on the Amazon. But according
hmm,
to me, this is the book you need to wait for. And a
hmm.
lot of articles are there online. You can go online, and I
Please,
am a
please share a
writer
link.
for Life Positive magazine and many other magazines, so I can provide those links when you can go and read a lot of material. And so
Amazing.
there is a lot of data out there.
Superb, superb. Thank you so much. Thank you so
Thank
much
you
for
for
being with
inviting
us, and thank you so much, guys, for
Thank you.
listening to this podcast. Share this podcast with each one of them who you think is going to help from the wisdom which she is carrying. I myself has transformed a lot today, and I am started looking my life in a different lenses just by listening to her, and I want you to get inspired by her. So thank you so much, guys. See you in the next episode. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
Suraj.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you for inviting.
Yeah.
Bye.